So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Assistant in Galaxy A15 device. So first of all, just click to Google app and then go to your account. After that, scroll so that we have option of settings here. Now in settings section, as you guys see, we have option of Google Assistant. So just click on Google Assistant and then on the very first we have Hey Google and Google Voice Match. So just click here and then enable this feature. After that, click more and then click to I agree. Again click more and then click to I agree. Okay now. So, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. So as you see, this is all done now. Now just click to next and that's it. So that's how we can set up Google Assistant in Galaxy A15 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.